On the online session, we started our first chapter, rational numbers. In this, we first learn about the introduction of rational numbers. Second, what is rational numbers? Third, properties of rational numbers. Now the next topic is standard form of a rational number. The definition of standard form is every rational number p by q can be put in the simplest form with positive denominator. This form of the rational number is called its standard form. That is, we have to put the rational number p by q in the simplest form having positive denominator. You have to convert always the rational number in the positive denominator. For this, we take the following steps. Step number 1, make the denominator positive. You have to make always the denominator positive. Step 2, find the HCF m of p and q. If m is equal to 1, then p by q is the required form. If m is equal to 1, then there is no need to convert or to put in the simplest form the p by q. We don't need to convert the p by q in the simplest form. But step 3, if m is not equal to 1, then divide both the numerator and denominator by m. The rational number p divided by m upon q divided by m so obtained is the required standard form. If we don't have m is not equal to 1, then you have to divide numerator and denominator by m. Then we get the standard form of rational number. Now you have to remember that a rational number p by q is said to be in the standard form if q is positive and the integers p and q have their highest common factor as 1. Always remember that the rational number p by q is said to be standard when q is positive and integer p and q have the highest common factor 1, that is HCF is 1. Then second is note the numbers p by q minus p by q and p by minus q represent the same rational number. Minus p by q and p upon minus q represent the same rational number. To explain or to understand the standard form of rational number, we have to take one example. Example 1. Express 16 by minus 24 in the simplest form with its denominator as positive. We have to convert the denominator into positive. For this, we have to take step number 1. Convert denominator into positive by multiplying numerator and denominator by minus 1. For converting the denominator into positive, we have to multiply numerator and denominator by minus 1. That is 16 multiplied by minus 1 upon minus 24 multiplied by minus 1, which is equal to minus 16 upon 24. We get the denominator positive. Now take the second step. Find HCF of 16 and 24, which is 8. In this case, HCF of 16 and 24 is 8. So we have to divide 8 on the numerator and denominator. That is, minus 16 is divided by 8 upon 24 divided by 8. Minus 16 divided by 8 we get minus 2. 24 divided by 8 we get 3. So minus 16 divided by 8 upon 24 divided by 8, we get minus 2 by 3. That is, minus 2 by 3 is the simplest form with positive denominator. Then this is the standard form of rational number. Now the next topic is absolute value of a rational number. The definition of absolute value is absolute value of an integer is its numerical value without taking the sign into account. That is, in the absolute value, the negative sign is converted into positive and positive sign will remain positive only. Look at the example. If we take mod minus 9 which is equal to 9, that is minus 9 is converted into 9, negative sign is converted into positive. Next is mod of 20 which is equal to 20, that means positive sign will remain positive. The absolute value of a rational number is written in the following ways. First, absolute value of 6 by 11 is mod of 6 by 11 is equal to 6 by 11. Positive will remain positive. Next, absolute value of minus 25 by 31 is mod of minus 25 by 31 is equal to 25 by 31. That means negative is converted into positive. Next is absolute value of 0 is always 0. That means absolute value is convert the negative sign into positive. Positive will always remain positive. Now it's assignment time. Here are some questions for you as an assignment to check your knowledge about the today's topic. In the first question, you have to write the rational numbers in standard form. Second question, first find the value of x. Then you have to find both the rational numbers should be equivalent. In question number 3, you have to write the absolute form of the given rational numbers. Thank you students. Have a nice day. Bye bye.